Today, we're taking a close look at the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, unveiling its new design, specs, and features. Before diving into the details, let us know in the comments if you're excited about the Z Fold 6, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech news. First, let's discuss some great news for current and future owners of Samsung's foldable phones. The Samsung Self-Repair program, already available for the Fold 5 and Flip 5, is set to expand. This program allows users to repair their devices themselves, and it also makes it easier for mobile repair shops to access official parts. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is likely to join this program, benefiting both DIY enthusiasts and repair professionals. Next, there's exciting news about a new display technology for the upcoming foldable phones. Samsung is working on a Phosphor OLED display, which is expected to offer significantly improved brightness compared to the current OLED displays. However, there are reports of technical challenges, so it's unclear if this technology will be ready for the Z Fold 6 or possibly the next model. Moving on, the Galaxy Fold 6 is set to introduce new AI features thanks to the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. While the camera system remains largely the same as the previous model, the AI enhancements are expected to significantly enhance the quality of photos and videos. These improvements include an advanced One UI night mode using AI to identify and optimize different objects in the frame, along with features like subject removal from videos and on-device AI chatbot capabilities. In terms of design, leaks suggest a prototype design for the Z Fold 6 resembling the ideal foldable phone form factor. While this is just a prototype, reports indicate that Samsung is likely to make form factor changes inspired by the Mate X5. Expect a design that's similar to the prototype, but possibly even thinner. Now let's delve into the detailed specifications of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It features a 7.6-inch foldable dynamic AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, improved brightness, color accuracy, and durability. The device's external display is expected to have a wider aspect ratio and will also see enhancements in brightness and color accuracy. Notably, it will retain a punch-hole camera. Camera-wise, it will have a 10-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera on the cover display and a 4-megapixel under-display camera on the internal foldable screen. The rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3 times optical zoom. Powering the Z Fold 6 will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. It will feature a 4,400 mAh battery, though details about charging speeds remain unknown. Connectivity options include advanced 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. The phone will run on One UI 6 based on Android 14. The expected starting price for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is around $1,850, with an anticipated launch date in August 2024. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be an exciting update, featuring a more usable cover display, brighter screens, AI enhancements, and a sleeker design. While it may not be a compelling upgrade for current Fold 5 owners, it holds promise for those looking to explore foldable phones or those using older foldable models. With more leaks expected in the coming months, stay subscribed for the latest updates.